Umqondisi wesikhungo esiqapha ukusebenza kwabeindaba iMedia Monitoring Africa uthi bakholwa ukuthi ukhetho kufanele liqhubeke libanjwe ngomfumfu njengoba yamancane amathuba ukuthi lelizwe lizokwazi ukunqanda ukubhebhetheka kweCovid-19 kulonyaka.
Given the significant challenges and the disruption, the even greater disruption that would be caused, our view is that the elections should go ahead at the planned date, and certainly we're operating on that basis. And I say that just because unless, obviously, like these recent by-elections, which I understand the IEC applied to have delayed because of the fact that we're at level 4. So unless we're at that kind of a juncture where it's absolutely almost impossible to operate in an environment that will hinder free fair elections, we think that they can and should go ahead.
Umholi we-One South Africa Movement Maimane uthe ukulinda ukuthi kugonywe izakhamuzi zakuleli eyingamaphesenti angama-80 kungaholela ekutheni ukhetho lihehiswe ngeminyaka embalwa.
South Africa does not vaccinate at the rate fast enough, and therefore the delay would be prolonged even further. So I would want to emphasize this point to say I'm not making a political point. Suffice to say that actually when it's said and done, vaccination rates are slow. We do not know, we cannot predict without any delay, any additional delays. I suspect that we are not going to keep the track of even 60,000 vaccinations per day. So over a long period of time, we could end up in a scenario where we never get herd immunity.
Uphinde wathi kungabekwa izinsuku ezimbalwa zokuthi abantu abathile bavote ngokukhethekile kuphinde kwandiswe nezikhungo zokuvota ukuze kugwenywe inkinga yokugcwala ngokweqile. Uthi ukhetho kufanele luqhubeke.
It is possible to hold elections on the 27th of October, that if conditions had to be done in such a way that a postponement needed to be granted, it cannot be longer than six months. Because then in that instance you fall foul of the other regulatory processes that govern local government elections.
Lesiccawu Siyaqhubeka.